Today we're diving into one of the most essential UI components in SwiftUI, the text field. Let's see how it works and why it's a must know for building amazing apps. What is a text field? A text field is a user and interface element in SwiftUI that lets users input text. It's widely used for forms, login screens, search bars, and more. Let's see how to set one up. First, open your SwiftUI project and let's jump into the code. Launch Xcode. Create new project. Click Next. Name it text field. Click Next. At state private var text input string alert. We declare at state to store the text. The user types. This ensures SwiftUI updates the UI whenever the value changes. In vstack, create text field. Enter your name, text input. The first parameter is the placeholder text and the second binds to our @state property. Add text to display output. Text hello plus text input. Run the application to display the output. Add padding but padding. Run the application to see the padding effect. Add rounded border. Text field style. Rounded border text field style. We use rounded border text field style to make it look nice. Styling is super customizable in SwiftUI. Run the application to see the border effect. Enhancing the text field by adding more features. Let's add a few enhancements like a keyboard type and text modifiers. Let's create a text field for email input. Set the keyboard to an email layout. Turned off auto capitalization and disabled auto correction. Perfect for email input fields. Text field, enter your email. Text input. Keyboard type, many email address. Run the application to see the effect. Disable autocorrection true. Auto capitalization none. Run the application to see the effect. Text field style. Rounded border text field style. Here we've set the keyboard to an email layout, turned off auto capitalization and disabled autocorrection. Perfect for email input fields. Need to validate the input. Here's an example of checking if the user enters a valid email. var is valid. Bool text input dot contains it and in text input dot contains. Text is valid. Valid email. Invalid email. Foreground color is a valid green. Red padding. Here we use a computed property to validate the input. If the email is valid, we show a green message. Otherwise, it's red. Run the application to see the effect. It's that easy to create responsive, user-friendly text inputs in SwiftUI. For today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more SwiftUI tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding.